Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, welcome to Speng channel. It's me Speng TV right as a right now. In a real life, never lie. You see, Peter? Yeah, man. And right now, Happy New Year's to my people, man. You see me? Happy New Year's to my subscriber them. Happy New Year's to the people that view my channel. You see me? Happy New Year's to everyone who listen to Speng. You see me? Happy New Year's to everyone that support Speng TV in a real life. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. And right now, we are going to talk about a little thing we are going on for the new year. We just start off right now. Yes, G. Yeah, man. Now we are talking about DNT. We get a gunshot in her leg. You see me? On her birthday. You see me? As the new year step in, so she gets a gunshot, bro. G. You see, everybody new year's a turn out good in her real life. You see me? And we also have some chopper. I remember saying we still have a chopper them see me. You know, say chopper them not stop chopping. Chopper line right through, chopper line daily, chopper line night time, every right through the time, bro. You see me? So we still have that to talk about with them chopper youth here go on them badness, see me. You see me? Yeah, man, that's how it thing goes sometime, man. You see it in real life.
Some just send pussy collecting money and some do it. Big white shit. Pussy want Benz, Benz don't cheap. Big fat Benz make girl pussy leave. Obia man grant my wish, unlimited riches me seek. So we just pussy want friend make money off thin. When you hear me I sing, don't think I talk in ear shot. Champion say the money want in white money. I'm fucking yard with them there. You want them there just fast. Bad cologne for your girls smell.
You see it in the people, you just don't know which chopper them now playing the right show, bro, G. You see me? We have to make the cream, brother. The cream of the crap that you see. Yeah, man, in a real life. And remember, in the people, we have Dan Flames. We need to go check out the artist right over there so right now. You see me? Check out him YouTube channel. Dan go by the name Dan Flames. So just go over him channel right now and subscribe to him channel. You see me? And make him know say you're watching the man a Speng sending over there, you know. You see me? One Speng TV in a real life. You see me? So let's go over there go check out him channel right now, bro.
That child violate, boy, you want this. Gunman ready for shoot and now miss man just chop him up. Dash him to the fucking garbage I able my par with. Hey mad dog, how when me do them, hey. Boss them make them jelly paint the wall for case me murderous. No feel safe from a pocket, nigga grave. Come me rifle no behave and me beat it like a soldier from him. Run up, a father God I meet them face and he. Badness me turn it up in at the place. Circle men's while them a try evacuate. Every man and they no matter how them try to escape. Anytime the rifle clapping dog just know the dead here, hey. Them violate and never know me head psychopathic lift them at it. And box it up in a face it for me feel me erratic. And cut it short that a something graphic. Clue, me rep it out can no miss nobody. Yeah me happy, nigga happy fly them arrow like a wing company. Me alone, no crime me now bring nobody. Have them gyal lick the lolly money like me win the lottery. Bullet to your skin, sorry. Hey, who are rich, them head into pieces. This the link and my gun them speaking. We no like teeth ring, nah reasoning. As him run off all up and treat him. War and chop him head into pieces. This the link and my gun them speaking. We no like teeth ring, nah reasoning. As him run off nah talk, just rise it and meet it up. Shot them I eat it up, them never know me evilous. See it say I with them just like grab a shot I eat them up. Send a girl to sweet them up, next scoffing and reach it up man. Chop them up them money get to find peace and you AR clip. Ram like